Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. Today we are in a town called Apopka. I always like that name. Apopka, Florida, a little suburb of Orlando. I also get a lot of comments about, we should have the area marked. Guys, we always have the area marked. You can see it here. Here's the electric, that's in red. You can see the cable box over there. You've got the orange markings, and they run all along, and through the yard. You can see them going up. But one of the things that you have to remember is that even though locators try to do their best job, let's take a look right over here and you'll see they don't always locate the cable. Here is the homeowner's cable. Can you see it? See if I can get down there. That's the homeowner's cable right there. It's not marked. There is no markings here at all. You're going over to the box, and as it comes across the yard, you can see there is absolutely no markings. But you should call and get things located. It protects yourself. If you cut the line, there's usually not any charge to have them come out and repair it. There is no gas here, which is great. One of the interesting things, Florida does have gas. A lot of people have natural gas. This house does not. The gas line is in yellow. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day. Hi, I'm Chuck with Apple Drains, Drainage Contractors. Today I'm going to take you on a video tour of how to clean a French drain. Follow me! The first thing that you need is a good drain cleaning machine. This is our Spartan 1065, and yeah, it looks a little bit rugged, but it is one powerful machine. Inside the green drum, there is 100 feet of 3/4 inch spring wound cable. And the way the machine works is it works on tension. The machine begins to turn, the drum continues to turn, and when the end of the cable finds the roots or a collapsed section, the cable stops. But the machine keeps turning. Here you can see where the cable has stopped, but that machine is still turning, and it builds up enough tension that it will spin inside the pipe and pull the roots away from the sides of the pipe or any debris as well. Let's look at it in regular speed. You can see once that cable releases its tension and pulls the roots, the water begins to flow out of this downspout drain tile. Okay, now you have the basics of how the machine works. Let's go ahead and clean a downspout drain. You can see the operator is getting ready to push the cable down into the line. As he starts the machine, he's got to make that cable make the first turn. And again, it's got to build up tension, enough tension that the cable will make the first turn and get into the pipe. He's made the turn, and right now he's pushing the cable down through the line until he finds a blockage. Remember how the machine works. It works on tension. So the cable is going down the line, but when that cable, the end of the cable stops, that machine continues to turn, and it will build up enough tension to either go through the stoppage or the cable will kink because it's got so much tension on it. So you've got to be pretty careful. Notice how he's wearing some leather palm gloves, and the cable easily can spin inside the palm gloves and not hurt your hand at all. With your leather gloves, you can push the cable all the way through to the end of the pipe. And there you can see, we're letting it run a little bit so you can see it in normal speed. But take a look at that cable and see what it can do. It just tears apart those roots. Here's an example of cleaning a drain from the catch basin. There is a French drain attached to this line. Remember what a French drain is. It's gravel perforated pipe, and the gravel surrounds the pipe. We can clean the pipe by sending the cable down the line. We hear a lot of talk about steel cable ripping through corrugated pipe. Well, this is kind of a myth. The only time the cable can actually rip through an old pipe is if the pipe is totally collapsed. Here's an example of a collapsed pipe, and you can see the cable with a good drain cleaning machine, Spartan 1065, will go through the pipe very easily. The cable easily snakes its way through and will find the problem. Sometimes you have to dig it up, and that's just part of drain cleaning. But this is how you clean a French drain, downspout drain, and yard drain. This is Chuck with Apple Drains here in Charlotte, North Carolina. We hope you enjoyed our video, and if you have any questions, please feel free to write or to call us. Have a great day. This way to the beach.